What's going on, everyone? It's RGB Tech back again. Today, I'm going to show you how to install One UI 6.1.1 port of the Galaxy S23 FE onto the Galaxy A30, based on Android 14 with the latest security patch. And yes, this port comes with some Galaxy AI features as well. Same as usual, power off the device. Also, make sure all your important data is backed up, either to your SD card or wherever you prefer. Now, boot the device into TWRP recovery. This should already be installed with bootloader unlocked. Just a quick note, I don't recommend using this as a daily driver. This is just an experimental test video. Alright, as usual, go to Wipe. Advanced Wipe. Select the partitions shown on screen, then swipe to wipe. Once that's done, go back and head into the backup section. Select EFS, data, and boot. These are important as they contain your device ID and other key info. Now select Install and navigate to the path where you copied the ROM. In my case, I copied it to the SD card. Select the ROM zip file and swipe to flash. I also want to mention that this port is compatible with the Galaxy A40, A30s, and other mentioned devices. Let's fast forward this part a bit. Alright, the installation is complete. Now select Wipe Dalva Cache. And finally, reboot the device into system. And finally, there we go, it's booted up. Okay, alright, the setup process is really short. And now we're on the home screen. The wallpaper has changed, and yeah, here it's finishing the system update as usual. Let's head into Settings, About Phone. Alright, as you can see, the device model product name is changed to Galaxy S23 FE, and we're running One UI 6.1.1 based on Android 14. I know many of you are waiting for One UI 7, but it's going to take some more time. Anyways, for now, everything else remains the same as regular One UI 6. Now if we go into Galaxy AI, and yes, it includes features like Call Assist, real-time call translation, Notes Assist, AI transcripts, and Gallery AI features like Photo Assist, which I already showed in our recent XRom port video. There's also Drawing Assist, basically AI photo sketching, if you're familiar with that, and all remaining things. Everything else works as expected, like the sound. Battery, and device care. There haven't been any major UI changes or modifications in UI. Anyway, let's test out generative AI. I'll move this image a bit and leave some empty spaces. Now tap Generate. And yes, as you can see, it fills in the empty areas really well. It looks so natural. Now let's try Sketch to Image. Honestly, one of my favorite AI features. I'll draw a car right here. Don't get me wrong. I know this doesn't look like a car, and let's see. Yep, it generated really well, with different images, and this one looks especially good. And look the quality, guys, it's spot on. Let's try drawing another one. Okay, now hit Generate. And yes, again, it's generated pretty well. Now let's try Object Removal. But unfortunately, it's not working here. But the same feature worked fine on the XRom port, which I have shown in recent video. If I do the same thing on my S24 Ultra, here's what the result looks like. As for the remaining Galaxy AI features like Notes Assist and Browser Assist, they're currently not working on this phone. You'll see an error. Since this is a direct port, these kinds of bugs are expected. The camera works normally, though it's just the stock camera, and all others. Everything else remains the same. So, most of the regular things work fine, but with some Galaxy AI features, they don't do to bugs. Anyway, that's all for this video, guys. Hope you liked, also subscribed, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.